Hello, room 403. I'm here to give you this week's assignments, and this week's assignment looks a little different than what you're used to. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you look here on the screen, you'll notice that it's not divided into reading, math, and writing just like how we normally do it. This week we are doing something different, and it's called a cardboard challenge. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. So on Monday we had a holiday. We had Memorial Day, so that one is blank, and we wouldn't have school on that day. Also, for day one, which is today, you are going to read introduction and look at the map and complete the section where does Cain live. So you're going to learn all about a boy named Cain who built a phenomenal project out of cardboard. And you are also going to read the backstory and answer comprehension questions. So this is what your screen should look like. Well, not your screen, what papers you should have in your hand. So Cain's arcade. So Cain is a 9-year-old boy who spent his summer building an elaborate cardboard arcade inside his dad's used auto parts store and invited the world to play. So for day one, it says, where does Cain live? So if you look here, you're going to look for the headers on your worksheet so you know what to do. So today, all you're going to do is, where does Cain live? He lives in California, East Los Angeles. So he lives in LA, which is close to us. And he lives in California. That's where you live. So here are three different questions that you will have to answer by looking at the map. Then you're going to read his backstory. So backstory gives us just a little bit of information about Cain and where he's from and just some details about him so we can understand why did he build this cardboard project. So you are going to read all about Cain and then you are going to answer the 4 questions, okay? And then you get to go out and do PE. That's all for today. So let's look on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. Remember, boys and girls, this week no one should be building anything. No one should be building any cardboard yet. That is next week. This week we need to gather some information of what are we going to build, how are we going to do it, and who is Cain? How did he do it? What are some ideas that I can get to build mine? So no one should be building anything, just getting materials ready to build. So on Wednesday, you are going, flip through the next page and you are going to watch a YouTube video where he walks you through his arcade and gives you information about it, and then answer the following questions. So responding to the film. Who are you most impressed with in the film? Why? So remember, you're explaining me why. Who were the 3 main characters in the film? And in the middle of the film, we learn about a sad part of Cain and his life. What was it? And then by the end of the film, Cain's life had changed a lot. Explain why this is true. So you will be working on this one on Wednesday. And then on along with the Wednesday, you're going to complete a math story problem. So if you keep flipping through your paper, you'll see that it says math story problems. And there's a few math problems that I put together for based on Cain's arcade. So we have 3 math problems that will need to be solved. Then on Thursday, and notice for PE, I do have stuff in there. Do whatever you feel like doing for PE, okay? Whether if it's not on there, but you have an idea, maybe you want to go swimming instead of playing Simon Says. That's perfect, okay? Whatever gets your body moving is fine with me. So you get to pick what you want to do with for PE, but here are some ideas. Now on day 3, which is Thursday, it says it's your turn to think about what you want to create. So this is your turn to get all your ideas together and figure out what are you going to build using cardboard. And it says look at pictures of other cardboard creation ideas. Okay, so answer questions 1 through 3 on your worksheet called Your Turn. So you're going to flip and look for the sheet that says in big bold letters, your turn. Okay, and here are some few things that you need to be thinking about. Do not start building. Okay, we are just getting our ideas together right now. Okay, how much can I do with the cardboard that I have? What can I make with the cardboard that I have? And there are also some ideas. There's a lot of ideas. There's a sheet with ideas in there to help your mind go, but you do not need to use any of those ideas. They're just there to help you think about what you're going to do with your cardboard. There's so many things, and you guys are so creative with your Native American shelters, and your gel glasses that I cannot wait to see what you guys build here. So this will be all on Thursday. Also on Thursday, day 3, more math story problems. So if you scroll down, up here is all those ideas that you have with you. Okay, so we have a rocket that they built. They built a guitar out of cardboard, an airplane. There's Kane, who we're learning about, robots. There's so much that you can build with cardboard. So use your imagination and think about what can you do with this. Okay, you can build anything. I am so excited to see it. So here are our math word problems for Thursday that you will need to complete. And then on Friday, you are going to create a poem. Let me scroll down. Okay, so you are going to use your name, and you are going to create a poem using the first letters of your name. So I'm going to use Zoe, for example, because her name is short. So she will need to use a word that starts with Z, that starts with O, and that starts with E to explain this challenge, this cardboard challenge. Okay, so for Kane, he used C is for cardboard, A is for arcade, I is for imagination, N is for noggin, your brain, and E is for everybody. Okay, so you are going to write a name poem about yourself. When you are done doing your name poem, you're going to record yourself on Seesaw and send it to me. Okay, I've seen a lot of great things on Seesaw and I'm very excited. Okay, so you're going to record yourself reading the poem that you created using your name, and you're going to record it on Seesaw. If for some reason you're having trouble with Seesaw, can't figure out Seesaw, go ahead and either record yourself on your cell phone and send it to me through message, or you can take a picture of your poem, whichever one is easier for you. But I really want to encourage you to record yourself saying your poem. And then also on that day, you are going to do a t-shirt design. So Kane designed his own t-shirt to promote his arcade. So promote is to encourage people to watch and see his creation. If you can make a t-shirt to promote your cardboard masterpiece, what would it look like? Draw a sample of it here. Be sure to show the front and the back of the shirt. So here's the front, and here's the back of the shirt. You are going to make something that promotes your creation, whatever you make with your cardboard. So if you are creating a restaurant with your cardboard, maybe you can promote it with McDonald's and foods and things like that on your shirt. But it's your choice. Maybe your shirt needs your logo. What is your name of your creation? What's it about? So here you are going to create a shirt front and back. And then you're going to take a picture of that and send it to me with whatever is easier for you. Okay, so if you want to do it through Seesaw, if you want to do it through text message, Class Dojo, whatever you like, it's whatever is easier for you. So that is it for this week. So remember, boys and girls, you are not building, and I'm going to repeat myself, you are not building this week. No building. All you are doing is getting the backstory and understanding all about Kane and different things that you can do with your cardboard creation. Next week, once you have all those ideas and you've slept on it, you've had the whole weekend to think about it, then you're going to start creating something awesome. And I am so excited because you guys, I have one of the most creative classrooms and imaginations that I've ever seen. Like, you guys are amazing. You guys have done such awesome job with everything else. So I can't wait to see what you guys do. Okay. This week, which is tomorrow, which came fast because we didn't have school Monday. So tomorrow we will be getting on Zoom and we are going to do a Heart Hub drawing. Okay. So if you get on Zoom tomorrow, and I hope to see all 25 of your faces on there, you're going to need a blank sheet of paper, a white sheet of paper, and a pencil, and some crayons or markers, whatever you choose. And you are going to draw something from our hub that I will be putting together for you guys. So I'm super excited about that. So come with your creative minds, okay? So if you have any questions and you are stuck with anything, please reach out to me. I would be more than happy to help you. If you need any help, just reach out and I will help you. All right, boys and girls, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Use your imaginations, be creative, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye, boys and girls.